In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create custom checkout fields in ShopWired so you can collect the precise information you need from your customers. Stick around, because by the end, I'll also introduce you to some powerful alternatives that might be even better for your needs. First, let's dive right in. When you're running an online store on ShopWired, you might need more than just the standard customer info during checkout. Whether you're collecting special instructions, gift messages, or additional shipping details, adding custom fields is a great way to personalize the experience. Here's how you can do it. Next thing, go to your ShopWired dashboard and head to the Settings section. Under Checkout Settings, you'll find an option to customize your checkout fields. This is where you can start adding your own fields to collect whatever information you need from your customers during checkout. The third thing to know is that ShopWired lets you choose from different types of fields, like text boxes, drop-down lists, and checkboxes. This flexibility ensures you can gather specific data in a format that works best for your store. For example, if you're selling personalized items, a text box for custom engraving instructions might be what you need. Now, the fourth thing is setting up these fields for the right steps of the checkout process. You can choose whether you want the fields to appear on the main checkout page, the shipping page, or the payment page. This allows you to control when and where customers provide this extra information. The fifth thing, and one of the most important points, is that ShopWire doesn't allow full control over conditional fields, which means you might be limited in certain use cases. If you need advanced logic, like showing a specific field based on a customer's previous answers, you may have to explore third-party apps or workarounds. This could be a deal breaker for businesses with more complex needs. The sixth thing to consider is the user experience. While ShopWired's custom checkout fields are pretty straightforward to add, the interface could use some refinement, and it doesn't offer as many customization options as some competitors. You might find it a bit limiting if you're looking for a highly tailored experience for your customers. Now, let's wrap things up. Although ShopWired is a solid choice for basic custom checkout fields, if you're looking for more advanced functionality or better user experience, you might want to check out alternatives like Shopify or BigCommerce. These platforms offer more flexibility and features for customizing your checkout process and can scale better as your business grows. In the description below, you'll find a link to an exclusive offer with an extended free trial for ShopWired. But remember, I've also added some amazing alternatives that may be even better suited for your checkout needs. These also come with free trials. If you use the link in the description, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Check it out and make the right choice for your business.